Here we start. I was with you with the unemployment, right? And education I have completed, and the people as a resource is going to be completed very soon, today or by tomorrow. So I have already completed one part of unemployment, and seasonal unemployment I have already discussed with you. Seasonal employment happens when people are not able to find jobs during some months of the year. They are not able to find jobs during the some months of the year. Here it is seasonal unemployment on the screen. Get ready with your book and your pencil. Whenever I say that you should go for the underlining, you have to underline that. There are certain busy seasons when sowing. Sowing मतलब बोना किसी चीज को. Harvesting, weeding and threshing is done. Certain months do not provide much work to the people dependent on agriculture. Sometimes they are busy with the agriculture. That is an employment part when they are not able to get the job in the agricultural part. So that is that particular period of any year that is called seasonal unemployment when they are unable to get the job. In case of disguised unemployment, people appear. This also I told you, when three people are there, five people are working in a field. Three people are there, five people are working. It means two people are two people are disguised unemployed. They leave the job or they're doing the job. They are not in a, they are not able to inculcate the money enhancement. They are not doing any work. Economically they are not active. वो इकोनॉमिकली उसमें कोई फायदा नहीं कर रहे हैं. तीन लोग, दो लोगों को चाहिए, पांच लोग काम कर रहे हैं. थ्री पीपल आर अनएम्प्लॉयड. थ्री पीपल आर disguised unemployment is there. So they are disguised unemployed. In case of disguised unemployed, people appear to be employed. People appear to be employed. ऐसा लगता है कि वो काम कर रहे हैं, but actually they are not doing any work. They have agriculture plot. When they find work, this usually happens along with family members engaged in agricultural activity. The work requires the service of the five people, but engages eight people. I just told you get an example. Give the example that two five people are required, eight people are working, three people are they are disguised unemployed. There are three people extra. These three people are also work in the same plot as the others. The contribution made by three extra people they are the zero. The contribution what they are doing, they are the zero. If we minus three people, nothing will happen to that plot. Nothing will go to minus towards the economic activity. If three people are removed, just now I told you, the productivity of the field will not be declined. Productivity will not hamper. The field requires the service of five people, and the three extra people are disguised unemployed. In case of urban areas of educated unemployment has become a common phenomenon. Many youth with matriculation, graduation, and post-graduation they are unable to get the job, right? And the, and this unemployment, I told you the army and the unemployment increasing day by day. And I gave you some example of these Corona 19, Corona era when the lots of people are unemployed. It's by this way or that way. When a person is not getting the job, that is unemployment. Unemployment leads to wastage of manpower resource, right? Liability and asset. I told you also. Unemployment tends to increase. The unemployment tends to increase economic overload. I told you. The quality of life of individual was as well as society adversely affected. क्वालिटी काफी खत्म हो जाती है अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट रहने से, क्योंकि पैसे की बहुत जरूरत पड़ती है. एंड यू आर नॉट गिवन योर input is not there, output will not be there. Your input should be there, then output is there. Hence, unemployment has determinant detrimental impact on the overall growth of an economy. Increases in employment is an indicator of depressed economy. I told you what do you mean by depressed economy. So these ये हमारा हो चुका है, ठीक है? This was also what I was doing, just recapitulate the aspect. Now here, more of they now next paragraph coming to the page number 26. And page number 26, and here I start now. They from the first line, they may therefore want, यहाँ से मैंने शुरू करना था. They may therefore want other work of their choice. People want the work according to their choice. Whenever a person is doing job, he will always search the job according to his choice. He doesn't search his job according to the other's choice, right? So if suppose you did your training in technical aspect, so you will go technical no towards technical field. Somebody is going management field, somebody is going for teachers field. So according to his choice, according to his education, he want to find his job. They may therefore want other work of their choice. Poor people cannot afford to sit idle. जो गरीब घर के लोग हैं वो चुपचाप नहीं बैठ सकते. Because they don't have the money. Every day they have to dig the wells. Every day they have to fetch the water. हर रोज उनको कुआं खोदना पड़ेगा, हर रोज उनको पानी पीना पड़ेगा. A rickshaw wala, if he doesn't go for his work, how his family will survive? So poor people cannot afford to sit idle. They tend to engage in any activity irrespective of its earning potential. उनको पैसा मिलना चाहिए, थोड़ा बहुत जितना भी है पैसा मिलना चाहिए. वो they will not see that what their interest is, in which field they have got the interest. Any work they want to do, they got it, they have to go for that particular job. The earning keep them on bare substances level. वो जो थोड़ा बहुत उनको मिलता है उसी से उनका गुजारा चलता है. So poor people cannot sit idle, right? So moreover, the employment structure is characterized by self-employment in the primary sector. प्राइमरी सेक्टर में ये सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट के ऊपर डिपेंड रहता है. मोreover, the employment structure is characterized by self-employment. Self-employment is the primary sector. In the primary sector, the whole family contributes in the field, even though not everybody is really needed. So there is a disguised unemployment in the agriculture sector. छोटा सा जमीन है, सपोज 1 acre, half acre की जमीन है. Every family member is working over there. You think that everybody is working, but that field requires 3 or 4 people. But 5, 6 people, 7 people, they are working over there. So this guy's unemployment is also there, right? And basically unemployment is also there. But the entire family shares what has been produced. अब जो produce किया गया है सभी उसको share करेंगे, right? This concept of sharing work in the field and the produces the hardship of unemployment in the rural sector. But this does not reduce the poverty of the family. वो क्या कहते हैं, उनके मन से एक साइकोलॉजी करी कि वो काम कर रहे हैं, अपने फील्ड में काम कर रहे हैं. They are doing the job in their own field. That reduces that particular hardship. कि they don't have the work. They have the work, little bit of whatever the work they have in their own field, that is self-employment. वो अपने फील्ड में काम कर रहे हैं. So this reduces this type of psychology, negative psychology. But इससे क्या होता है कि उनके इकोनॉमी के ऊपर कोई इंक्रीजमेंट नहीं आ रही है. They are not they basically they are not away from the hardships. वो गरीबी से दूर नहीं है. This concept of sharing of work in the field and the produce reduces the hardship in the rural area, but this does not reduce the poverty of the family. इस काम से जो गरीबी है ना, आई टोल्ड यू कि वो खत्म नहीं हो रही है. Psychologically, negative psychology that they are not unemployed, they are employed. This type of psychology is there, but this does not reduces their poverty. वो poverty खत्म नहीं होती, वो poverty खत्म नहीं होती, वो गरीबी नहीं खत्म हो रही है. That increases. Gradually, surplus labor from every household tend to migrate from the village in search of jobs. Slow and steady. Today, they are able to get some type of help from that particular field. But when slow and steadily, this surplus part of the people, they have to search the job in other fields. They have to migrate. There are lots of laborers. They used to migrate from one township to another township, one state to another state, even one countries to another country. You will find if you go to Abu Dhabi, you go to Saudi Arabia, you go to Kuwait, Dubai, you will find lot of basically Punjab and Haryana people are there. Right? Why they went there? They went in search of jobs. They are doing manual job. Let me tell you one thing. Their life is very hard over there. Very hard life. But what to do? They are doing some job over there, and they are sending the money to their home so that they can come up from the poverty area, poverty line. So this migration is there due to this hardship. Let us discuss about the employment scenario in the three sectors mentioned earlier. Agriculture is the most labor absorbing sector. Agriculture is the most absorbing sector of the economy. In recent years, there has been decline on dependence of population on agriculture, partially because of disguised unemployment discussed earlier. Some some of the surplus some of the surplus labor in agriculture has moved to either the secondary or the tertiary sector. Migration is there. Example, primary is there, agriculture is the primary. When they are unable to get the job, they used to shift themselves into the secondary sector, manufacturing sector, then tertiary sector, right? So, in the secondary sector, small scale manufacturing is the most labor absorbing. Underline कीजिए, small scale manufacturing is the most labor absorbing. You will find in Panipat and you will find in lots of township of Haryana near Ambala, right? You will find lots of people. They are absorbed in small sector in manufacturing industries. They are from the other states also, right? In case of the tertiary sector, various new services are now appearing like biotechnology, information technology, and so on. So slow and steadily, they are leaving the primary sector and going to switch over on the second and tertiary sector. Let us see the story. So here the story is the story. You will do your story yourself, and you think that what the story wants to tell you. You have to see what the stories they want to tell you, right? And we will discuss it by tomorrow. That you have to read the story yourself. This is your homework. You have to read the story yourself. You have to think about the story. That is this to how this story is related to the chapter, right? So little bit I will let you know. There was a village inhabited by several families. Inhabited मैंने एक ऐसा विलेज था जहाँ पे बहुत सारी फैमिली रहा करती थी. Each family produced enough feed its members. Each family met its needs by the members making their own clothes and teaching their own children. One of the family decided to send one of its sons to an agricultural college. The boy got his admission in the nearby College of Agriculture. After some time, he became qualified in agro-engineering and came back to the village. Very simple English. You don't have to be mingle your brain inside it. तो उन्होंने से एक फैमिली ने अपने बच्चे को बाहर एग्रीकल्चर कॉलेज के लिए भेजा, तो वहाँ पे उसे एडमिशन मिली और वो कुछ सालों के बाद he came back to his village as an agro engineer. He proved to be so creative that he could design and improve type of plow which increased the yield of wheat. Thus, a new job for agriculture engineer was created and filled in the village. The family in the village sold the surplus in nearby neighboring village. They earned good profit, which they shared among themselves. Inspired by this success, all the families after some time held a meeting to the village. They all wanted to have a better future for the children too. कुछ सालों के बाद वो इकट्ठे मिले वो एंड उन्होंने उनके साथ कुछ अपनी बातों को डिस्कस किया. Discussion was on the employment and on the children's future. They requested the panchayat to open a school in the village. They assured the panchayat that they would all send their children to the school. So there was no school inside the village. So they met the panchayat and they said that we should open the school over here. The panchayat, with the help of government, opened the school. A teacher was recruited from a nearby town. All the children of the school started to go into the school. तो क्या होता है आपके विलेज में भी होता होगा कि जब वहाँ पर नया स्कूल खुला है तो बहुत सारे बच्चे स्कूल में जाना शुरू कर देते हैं. Right. So here happened the same thing. After some time, one of the families gave training to his daughter in tailoring. एक इंसान ने एक गांव के एक मेंबर ने अपने बच्चिया को टेलरिंग दर्जी का सीने का काम दर्जी का काम सिखाया है. She started stitching clothes for all families in the village, for everyone now wanted to buy and wear all tailored clothes. Right. So thus another new job was created. What a tailor was created, this had another positive effect. It means that when you are educated, when you are trained, many of families, many of your parents, they are trained people. They are trained as a mechanist. They are trained as a teacher. They are trained as in the army. They are in the armored forces. They are in various forces. Their technical background. They are trained. So when trained there, that is a positive effect on the family. This had another positive effect. This time of the farmers is going for buying clothes for sale. As the farmers spend more time to the field, this yield of farmers went up. This was the bringing of prosperity. जब सभी काम कर लगते हैं, लेकिन I am not saying this guy is unemployed. I'm saying a real factor में if they are working, what will happen? This will increase their creativity. Everyone you're in the there's a creativity in the child. In every child there is a creativity. What we have to do? We have to enhance the creativity. हमको उस creativity को slow and steadily that get me switch on to the job part में वो switch on हो जाता है. I'm giving a small story. It's a book story. I'm giving a real story. In this corona, it's not epidemic and all. Then what happened? That a person, he was in a ship, 5-star ship, cruise जिसको कहते हैं. And in this corona era, that cruise was not able to, fly on its route. Then what happened? Lots of people they were unemployed. The chef of that cruise, he opened his own small coffee and dosa shop in Mumbai. Dosa and coffee shop in Mumbai. He started his own small shop. Right. You know what? His turnover is near about 50 lakh per year. 50 lakh per year turnover. So it means when you are trained something and you are going to do the job according to your choice should be yours. And it will enhance the prophet, you will taste the part of, prosperity. You will taste the prosperity. Prosperity जो होती है उसका टेस्ट करोगे कि जब पैसा आता है तो क्या होता है. So this was the beginning of the prosperity. The farmers had more than what they could consume. Now they could sell whatever they produce to the other. Now this is all. Now over time, this village family had no job opportunities in the beginning and had many like teacher. अब उसके पास पहले कोई beginning था, कोई job opportunity नहीं थी. Now this village, they have the teacher, they have the tailor, they have the agro engineer, and many more. This was the story of a simple village where the rising level of human capital enabled it to evolve into a place rich with complex and modern economic activity. You have to venture. आपको आगे आना होगा. You have to take the risk. Risk तो आपको लेना ही होगा. पहले girls, they don't go to even they don't want to go to the school even. They don't want, the parents don't send them to the market. They don't want to send to the higher education. Everywhere is there now. Everyone, the girls are there. They're rising. They're in the army, officers academy. They're getting the training. You have to take the risk. Sitting idle in the home will not achieve any profit. So here, my topic is end today. I thought that I will give you homework yourself so that you can taste the story's essence. You can taste the story's essence. So I have done it. Right. Tomorrow I will go for history if I try. I will let you know. And I will let you know with 5 minutes before. I think I will go for the history. Right. Till then, take care and have a nice day. Thank you.